What's up, everyone? Thanks for tuning into my channel again. I got a really quick video for you today. It's regarding something on USP Motorsports website, something crazy. The reason why I was on USP Motorsports website is because I need a new oil cap because my OEM oil caps kept on leaking. No matter if I got a new one or a revised one or whatever, they just kept on leaking. I was looking for a new billet aluminum oil cap. So I decided to go online and look for a billet aluminum oil cap, and I decided to go through USP Motorsport website. But when I was on there, I found something super cool, and I'll show it to you right now. Okay, so here I am on USP Motorsports website. If I can focus there. There we go. As you can see there, USP Motorsports. And I came across this. USP Motorsports Mark 8 Golf R 2.5T DAZA engine swap. Holy conversion kit. When I came across this, I thought it said $8,900, and I was like, what? No way, are you kidding me? But no, it's $89,999. So 90 grand for this kit, but take it as you will. It's $90,000. It's very expensive, all right? But for USP Motorsports to actually do this is pretty dang sweet. Sorry, it was taking a while to load because my computer is dumb. But anyway, so that's what the car is going to look like. Your Mark 8 Golf R. This whole kit includes the wheels, the suspension, everything for it to look just like that. $90,000. But if you go onto here and you look at all the description and stuff, it's pretty sweet. Like, let's go through the pictures first. And so we'll do that. And then we'll go like here. There's the front end. Pretty cool looking, in my opinion. There's the engine that they're swapping into it. It's the RS3 engine that they're swapping into it. The 2.5 turbo liter engine. I don't know if you can read that on this. I recommend going to the website. Yeah, it has all the description of what the mods are going to be on this Mark 8. The Mark 8 is not included in this price. This is just the conversion kit. $90,000 for this conversion kit. And it's the R. You can only use the R for this conversion kit because of the all-wheel drive. But it has a pretty big description on there. Let me know what you guys think about that. $90,000, not including the price of the Golf R itself. So let's say the Golf R is $35,000, $38,000, and then you send it to USP Motorsports, and then they do this $90,000 upgrade on your Golf R, and there is no warranty anymore. There is no nothing. So you're looking at a $125,000 to a $130,000 VW Mark 8 Golf R after everything is said and done. Is that worth it to you? What are some other cars in that price range that you guys can think of that you would much rather have for that price? Maybe some new cars that you can think of. Maybe some old cars that you would just have loved to modify and get it to like 1,000 wheel horsepower or something. I think this build on USP Motorsports website is going to be like 650 wheel horsepower ish, which is crazy. Don't get me wrong, that's crazy. But you can do so many other builds with that power levels for so much cheaper, in my opinion. No, it's not a brand new car and all that, but I mean, things that are coming to the top of my head right now. Corvette C8 fully spec'd out right now, or wait for the Z06. I'm sure it's going to be in that price range, right? Or you can get a GT500, a GT350R. You can build it from there, get a supercharge and all that stuff, build the engine, and be well under $100,000 on the GT350R, on a used one at least. Look, R35 GTR, boom, right there, build it. Iconic car for that kind of money. I mean, just saying. Crap, there's so many American muscle cars out there. I mean, there's so many Audis, so many BMWs, so many Mercedes. For that type of price, you're looking at basically any car brand. Anyways, put in the comments. I would love to hear your opinions on it.
And go look at the website yourself too and check it out, because there's a lot of cool information in there. And I will send the link to the website, the USP Motorsport website, in my description. I think it's pretty awesome that USP Motorsports is doing this job, because I'm sure there will be a few people that actually send it to them to do this job so that they can do like the build process and stuff for their social media channels and stuff. I think that's super cool. I think it's very innovative, because you're swapping a 2.5 liter engine into a Golf R, something that is not done very often. And in my personal opinion, for the price of a Golf R, which is like 35 grand anyways, I have always thought that the Golf R should have a bigger engine than the GTI. It should not have a 2 liter engine that's essentially the same thing as the GTI, give or take some internal things that are a little more robust. But the Golf R is like a $15,000 premium price just for like the all-wheel drive and some like bolt-on brake kits and stuff like that. Like, you can do all this stuff to a GTI and build it to be way faster from a roll. I've always thought that the Golf R should have a bigger engine, essentially the 2.5 liter turbo engine that they use in the Audis. So I think this is really innovative for USP Motorsports to do this. Maybe it will wake up VW thinking that they might need to actually put the bigger engine into their Golf R in the future. But I'm just going to end this video with that right there. I know it was very short, but I came across this, so I had to make a video and send it to you guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys later on the next video. Peace!